1, boom, to you. 이렇게 to you. 이게 안 나서 되네. 영상 보면 눌러줘. 내가 오케이. So okay, guys. We have only 5 minutes to practice with the dancing all together. Thank you, Christine. Wonderful. It's so great to have you here and sing together, all together. Now we're the full members now. Full members. Just we're gonna sing some detailed parts. I'm gonna tell you. Something like this. When we, I would like dance team to try to draw attention from the congregation and let them follow your actions. Right? Like clapping, I'll show you an example. 저거 내가 FT한테 요구하는 거 지금 영어를 했을 때 넣으면 항상 이게 내가 하고 있어요. 왜냐면 그 보통 회중 중에 반을 이동하는 건 댄스 제일 많이 했어요. 그래서 처음에 이런 드리블 끝냈어. 드리블 할 때는 뭐지? 알아서 하겠죠? 끝나면 롤라인 스윙을 할 때, so when we go to the 롤라인 스윙 one time, alright? Then I'm gonna change the move. So just before, the previous song is This is the Day. When we feel like this,